Snapseed is a great app for editing your photos on your phone. This is a tutorial of the basic functions. So open up the app and tap to open a photo. Along the bottom, you'll see presets which you can use to enhance a photo or to give it a specific look quickly. But we're not going to do that today. So I'm selecting current to go back to my original and tick. The other option along the bottom is tools. Click on that button and a menu pops up. First select Tune Image and then select the lever button on the bottom of the screen. Another menu should come up with 7 functions. These are the basic alterations but can be really effective. To edit the brightness, first select Brightness, hold down anywhere on the screen and move your finger right to increase the brightness or left to decrease. There is a bar along the top which moves with you. To compare your edits to your original image, press and hold down on your image and release to see your edits again. You can do this at any point. Do the same thing with contrast, saturation, highlights and shadows. And when you're happy with the changes, click on the tick and you'll be taken back to the original page. Go back onto the Tools menu and here are a few other things you can do. If you want to crop the photo, there are options so you can keep it to its original dimension, change it to square for Instagram, or crop freely. You may need to alter the white balance, which you can do automatically with the bottom right button or manually with the lever button. There are black and white presets also, or again you might want to manually change your image to black and white. To add a vignette, you select that option and you can alter the inner and outer brightness. So here I'm taking down the outer brightness to create this dark circle around the outside. You can see there's also a double exposure button, so if you'd like to layer on another photo, you can do so using that. One last thing I want to do to this image is to cover up the rip in his shirt. I can do this with the healing tool. Select that and use 2 fingers to zoom in and carefully brush over the section you want to heal until it looks right. At any point, if you want to undo changes, click on the button in the top right with an arrow. You can simply undo the previous step or view edits and you can see each stage. You can edit that step or undo it completely by clicking on the arrow in that section and selecting what you want to do. When you have finished editing, click on Export and you can either save the image as a copy that allows you to undo edits or export as a new image with permanent changes.